guys, my name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are safe and doing well. In case you guys are subscribed to my channel and watch my videos regularly, thank you guys so very much. And in case you guys are new here, hi, I'm Rukma. I'm a corporate lawyer. I make regular content on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, a lot of fun, affordable and relatable content on my channel. So in case you guys aren't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and become a part of this beautiful community. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my favorite makeup products. These are going to be my makeup recommendations to you guys for the Nykaa Hot Pink sale, which is already live by the time you watch this video. So Nykaa Hot Pink sale 2021 went live on the 22nd of July, and I have some of my makeup recommendations for you guys which I'm sure will be amazingly helpful for you guys because आप accordingly shop कर सकते हो. In case you guys are beginners या फिर आप थोड़ा सा budgeting करके makeup खरीदते हो, then this is the perfect video for you guys. I will just be talking to you guys about the product. Obviously मैं थोड़ा आप लोगों को brief description about the products देती जाऊंगी. I will tell you the MRP of the products, the sale price of the products and the percentage of discount on all of these products. I have around 17 makeup products to recommend to you guys. What are we waiting for? Without any further ado, let's get started. Now guys, the first recommendation that I have for you people is of course a primer. So I will definitely like to recommend the Insight Primer to you guys. Now this is one of the most inexpensive primers out there and I feel like you definitely have to check out this primer because it is that good. Now this primer is not on sale but ये वैसे ही बहुत ही ज़्यादा inexpensive एक primer है. This will cost you only rupees 240. It blends out very easily on your skin and I feel like this is one primer which you just can't miss out. Next product is going to be a foundation. It's the Lakme 95 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. Now the MRP of this product is rupees 475 but the sale price of this product is rupees 299. So you have a 37% discount going on this product. So in case you guys are looking for a good foundation which is inexpensive, which has a lot of shade variety and which gives you a lot of good coverage, I think you should definitely go in for this one. A lot of foundations are not suitable for dry skin, but I feel like the Lakme 95 Primer Plus Matte Foundation is also suitable for people because I have dry skin and I love that foundation. 37% discount is what you will get. So please do check out this foundation as well. Now the next product which I would want to recommend is another foundation which is the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. Who hasn't tried this product, right? Everybody has tried this product and this is such a classic product, you guys. Again, a lot of shade variety, very nice texture of the foundation. I love the consistency of the foundation. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. I completely love the foundation and it's very inexpensive. The MRP of this foundation is rupees 549 but you will get it for rupees 412. That is 25% of discount is what you will be getting on this product. The next recommendation from my side is actually two compact powders. The next one is the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder, which again is absolute love. बहुत ही अच्छे से आपके बेस को सेट कर देता है and बहुत ही ज़्यादा inexpensive है. Already ये product rupees 199 का है लेकिन after discount you will get it for rupees 159. So 20% of discount there. Another compact powder recommendation from my side is going to be the Lakme Sun Expert Compact. The MRP of this is rupees 230 but you will be getting it for rupees 161, which is actually a 30% discount, you guys. Why I love this compact so much is because इसमें SPF 40 मिलता है आप लोगों को and again the texture, the packaging, everything is wonderful. Next recommendation that I have for you guys is actually an eyeshadow. So I would definitely like to recommend the 15 color eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty. The MRP of that is rupees 699, which is almost 700 bucks, but you will get it for rupees 524 in the sale, in the Hot Pink sale. I feel like that is one eyeshadow palette which you just can't miss out. It is from Swiss Beauty. If you haven't tried that, you are really missing out on a great eyeshadow palette. So definitely check out the Swiss Beauty 15 color eyeshadow palette. The next product is the Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. MRP of that is rupees 199 but you will get it for rupees 149 in the sale. ये हमेशा इतने ही discount में आपको मिलता है, 50 rupees ही off आपको मिलता है sale पे. And the next eyeliner or kajal that I would like to recommend is of course the Maybelline Super Black, not the colossal one. The Super Black one is what I would like to recommend and उसका MRP is rupees 300 but you will get a 10% off and you will get it for rupees 270. The next recommendation that I have for you guys is for an eyeliner. Now an eyeliner जिसका पैकेजिंग बहुत अमेजिंग है, बहुत क्लासी, बहुत लग्जूरियस है, जिसका टिप बहुत ही प्रिसाइज है, आपको विंग्ड आईलाइनर करने में बिल्कुल डिफिकल्टी नहीं होगी, वैसा आईलाइनर है कलर बार का आईलाइनर. द MRP is ₹425 but you will be getting the product for ₹298, which is actually a huge 30% discount. The next product is going to be a concealer, and there are three recommendations from my side. The first one is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. The MRP is ₹620 but you will be getting this product for ₹434, which is a 30% discount. Another concealer which I completely love is the Swiss Beauty Concealer, the MRP of which is ₹229 but you will be getting it for ₹172, which is a 25% discount, which is amazing for a Swiss Beauty product because Swiss Beauty in any case इतना inexpensive है, उसके ऊपर आपको और 25% छूट मिल रहा है, so definitely buy it. Another recommendation in the concealer category is going to be the Lakme Absolute White Intense Concealer. इसका MRP है ₹600 but ये आपको मिल जाएगा for ₹420. There is a 30% discount going on this concealer and this is a lovely concealer. I love using it. It blends in very perfectly and लगता ही नहीं है कि आपने अलग से कोई concealer लगाया है. So very seamless application. Now in the lipstick category, the bullet lipstick अगर मैं आप लोगों को बोलूँ, one of my favorite bullet lipsticks ever is the Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick. So उसका MRP होता है ₹500 लेकिन आपको मिल जाएगा for ₹299, which is a 40% discount. Definitely try out this bullet lipstick in case you guys haven't already. Next one is going to be the Nykaa Sealed with a Kiss palette, which looks like this. Now this has 6 shades I think, and 6 very pretty shades. Pinkish shades रहेंगे, oranges shades रहेंगे, red shades सब mixed रहेंगे. ऐसे आपको 5-6 palettes मिलेंगे. So basically we are more used to eyeshadow palettes, but this is a lipstick palette. तो इसमें बहुत ही पिगमेंटेड ऐसे शेड्स होते हैं, पिंकिश एंड रेडिश शेड्स, एंड एक ब्रश होता है जिसकी मदद से आप वो अप्लाई कर सकते हो. गाइस मैंने ये वाला जो लिपस्टिक पैलेट है ना यूज किया हुआ है, एंड आई कैन वाउच फॉर द क्वालिटी ऑफ दिस पैलेट. इट्स वेरी नाइस. Firstly, when you're traveling, it becomes very handy because you have 6 shades in one place. And secondly, the MRP of this palette is ₹650. लेकिन सेल में आप लोगों को ये मिलेगा for ₹488, which is a 25% discount. So ₹488 में you will be getting 6 shades. So every shade will cost you around ₹80, which I think is crazy because the shades are very nice. Not completely matte, semi-matte होंगे, लेकिन they are very pigmented and very nice. And yeah, so I love that palette, so do check it out because ये Nykaa का one of the not that popular products है, लेकिन काफी अच्छा product है. The next recommendation from my side is going to be another liquid lipstick. This is the Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick range, which I feel like has so many lovely shades like pink shades, maroonish shades, nude shades, brown shades, बहुत ही अच्छे हैं इस रेंज में. The MRP of this lipstick is ₹599, लेकिन सेल पे ये आपको मिल रहा है for ₹479, which is a 20% discount. Now the 17th and the last makeup product recommendation from my side is going to be the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick range. इसका MRP है ₹349 but you will get it for ₹279, which is a 20% discount. I feel like Nykaa का जो मैंने आप लोगों को बोला Matte to Last range and Maybelline का Sensational Liquid Matte range, both are my ever favorites in the liquid lipstick category because guys, you have to trust me, I have tried a lot of liquid lipsticks, but ये Maybelline वाला and ये Nykaa वाला, they are definitely the best. Formula wise, stay power wise, they are both very matte, so I completely love them. So those were the makeup recommendations from my side for the Nykaa Hot Pink sale, which has already gone live on the 22nd of July. So go and log on to the Nykaa app and shop for your favorite makeup products. I'm very sure that you will love the experience because काफी अच्छे offers चल रहे हैं Nykaa पे. ये तो मेरे कुछ makeup recommendations थे. Skin care में भी काफी अच्छे options आप लोग को definitely मिल जाएंगे. So don't forget to log on to the Nykaa app and shop for their amazing range of makeup and skincare. I will see you in my next video, which is going to be really soon. Till then, take care of yourselves. Loads and loads of love. Comment down below. जो लोग first 25 comments करेंगे इस वीडियो पे, and in case you guys will be subscribed to my channel, मैं उन 25 लोगों का नाम definitely लेने वाली हूँ मेरे upcoming किसी वीडियो में. So do comment down below, and in case you guys have any questions with regards to any of the makeup recommendations that I just made, please leave your questions in the comment section below. I will love clearing your doubts, and I love you all, and I always try to reply to your comments. Please don't forget to comment, like this video if you found this helpful, and also subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Loads and loads of love, you guys. Bye bye.